How to redeem Apple gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Apple gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can redeem your gift card in the App Store or the Apple Music app to use for Apple ID purchases. You can redeem a gift card with your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Vision Pro. Now let's get right into the steps to redeem Apple gift card. Firstly, find the 16-digit code on the back of the card. For some gift cards, you might need to peel or gently scratch off the label to see the code. Second, open the App Store app. Now, at the top of your screen, tap on the Sign In button or tap on your profile icon. You will then see the option for Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code option. If you don't see Redeem Gift Card or Code option, sign in with your Apple ID. Now, tap on the Use Camera option and follow the instructions on the screen. If you have trouble redeeming the card with camera, tap Enter Code manually and then follow the instructions on the screen. Once you have entered the code, tap on the Redeem button. So this is how you can redeem Apple gift card. If you find this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar tutorials. See you on the next one.